Here's my NT700V. After changing the rear discs or the pads, bleeding the brakes, doing it several times, still having problems. So today I bled them again, front and back, and had a rock hard brake pedal. Went out for the test drive, and it goes from rock hard, first 3 or 4 stops, to this. No resistance whatsoever, all the way to the bottom. It's not like it's squishy. It's either all or nothing. It's odd. Okay, and then, after pushing it a couple times, I've got rock hard pedal again. And it's not squishy. It doesn't go down. It goes from perfect brake, that's really hard, you can't move it, to nothing. It's strange.